Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to start a LinkedIn group. Friends, if you want to make a new group on LinkedIn, then you need to open your account on linkedin.com. Now to make a new group, you need to click on For Business, and here you will find option of groups. Click on it. Now to make a new group, you need to click on Create Group. Now here you need to give group name. Now here you can give group description. Now from here you can select industry. Also you can select location. Now here you can give rules for the group. Now you can create a private group or you can select public group. I am going for a public group. And here, after giving all the required information, click on create and your group will be created on LinkedIn. So friends, like this you can very easily make a new group on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.